Today we're going to do another trail, but we're going to London, Ontario. Just getting the car packed up and everything like that. It is raining out, but who cares? Rain won't hurt you, won't make you melt. But we're gonna go, and I'm at home right now. But when we get there, I'm gonna film, and you're gonna see everything. And I'm gonna put pictures in here too, and everything like that. It is windy out. I'm sorry if you can hear that. But yeah, but today's outfit is a just strong shirt and my shoes and a pair of black tights, and I'll do a full one later. But yeah, thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification button and everything like that, so that you can see more vlogs to come. And if you have any ideas of any kind of videos and everything, but I am going to say this now, I'm really sorry about the quality and everything of the videos. If it looks blurry and everything like that, I'm really sorry. But anyhow, you have a good day, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Hey everyone, so I got in my car, so this is the second part of it, but we are going to go do a trail, even though it's raining out and everything like that. We are going to do a trail. Sorry, I was just playing something. And that. We did a trail yesterday. I will link that video down below. But today we're going to go do another trail, and I'm going to have fun doing it. But anyhow, I'll talk to you guys when I get there. Bye. Hey everyone, so we're here, but it cost me $15 to get into this place. It's the Fanshawe Conservative place, trail, and you have to pay $15 to get in to do it for the day. So I got a day pass and everything like that, but we're just probably going to be doing this for a couple hours or 3 or 4 hours, and yeah, let's go and have some fun. $15, people. Let's go and have some fun. So I'm going to turn the camera around and show you what I see. Look at that. That's my car. And that is my sister standing there trying to figure out where we are so we can start hiking.
There's a trail right over there.
Okay.
We can do that trail.
I think I just took a picture of it. Okay, so let's go.
I'll be making some. But first,
What?
in order to do the other two, this one is 1.3. It doesn't look like there's much parking. Oh wait a minute, there's a parking right up there.
Yeah, but you gotta drive to park there.
Yeah, but how will you be?
So how big is this one right here that we're at right now?
I just said 1.3.
1.3?
Let's just do this one and see how we're feeling afterwards.
Oh my god, no. We're having fun, and there's no light here. So yeah, we're walking, and it's beautiful here. So I'm gonna turn around. That's my sister. Look at that. A bunch of trees again, guys. Oh yeah, I did put my vlog up yesterday. Last night I put it up. The first episode of this. It's actually going to be a series. So we're trying to find more ones to go to. But yeah, like go check out the other one that I put up yesterday when we went to Kitchener's. I got a lot of footage there. So, and a lot of pictures, which I will be posting on Instagram. Hi!
I'm not taking a picture of you, Joanna.
Oh, come on! Then you come into the open grass. Jenna with her backpack on with our water in it, so it doesn't click next to her. It's not beautiful. You can actually have a wedding out here. Jenna taking another picture. But yeah, walking along. Put the strap. And that's my phone, everybody. And there's nobody around us today. Well, there might be later, but I got my jacket with me and everything. Oh. But I'm gonna take some pictures and I'll be back. Ooh, look at that. There's, I don't know what they are, but they're blackberries. I've seen red ones, but
Non-eatable.
they're not eatable, but don't eat them. They're poisonous. Okay, we should have brought bug repellent for help. So I'm gonna take some pictures and I'll be back.
Let's go.
Okay, say that again.
You can go this way and come this way, and then go this way, and then do a complete circle.
So technically we're doing a complete circle, everybody.
Yes.
But yeah, I think I have it on the perfect setting. I have a Pentax. Not a Pentax, a Canyon TI8. There's Jenna. It's all green around here, guys. But anyhow, I'm gonna go take some pictures. Yeah, that'd be good. So we're gonna go which way?
We're gonna go this way and then come back up this way.
So we're gonna go this way and then we're gonna come back. We're gonna do
a complete circle.
yeah, complete circle, guys. And I like how they have these symbols right here on the tree,
Yeah.
where it tells you that there's a hiker or stuff like that. So we
You can walk up to the other trail. Well, it's not that far behind.
I know. But yeah, this looks beautiful. And it's really windy out and I'm really sorry. And that. But I'm gonna try something. Found these, they're sandbags. Don't know why they would be out here for, but they are. None of my business, but yeah. But there's that. Talk to you later. Guys, hear that? That's the trees. Let me move out. But that's the trees. Just listen. That's it, that's the trees.
It sounds like a rubber band.
Yeah, I know. And my sister. But yeah, like took a couple pictures. and everything, and
They have designated smoking spots so we can walk from here to the other trail. Do they have designated smoking spot?
if you smoke,
They have designated spots.
yeah, do not smoke. Are you recording too, Jenna?
Nope. I am pictures.
She's taking a lot of pictures for her blog.
Yeah, I didn't give it to you yesterday to put it on your.
Yeah.
I'll have to do that today.
Hey, look! I think we come out to the open. I'm not too sure. But yeah, we got a day pass. Look behind me. That is beautiful. But yeah. Oh yeah, go check out Just Strong. They carry plus sizes too. You can use my code. I'll link it down below. This is the crop top in a 2X. I think it's 2X. I gotta get proper shoes. You hear the birds? Nature, people, nature. It's like with that guy off of Boy Meets World. Nature, nature!
No, that's not how it's going.
No, Jenna knows how to do it. She probably could do it for you.
I did it in yesterday's vlog.
Yeah, go check out yesterday's vlog. So yeah. But this one seems to be better. There's not a lot of hills. But look at this. So you never get lost. Just look for one of these and you'll know where you're going. Okay? But anyhow, I'm gonna take some pictures and I'll be right back. Hey guys.
Oh, that's nice.
So there's these trees in a row. I'm gonna put the picture up of me standing in front of them. But if you look all the way down, move. Hey! I'm gonna delete that. So if you look all the way down, the trees are going all the way down. It's like it's like from a movie called Lord of the Rings. That's just my sister. And it's, I got a picture of myself standing there doing the pose. But I'll put that on here when I edit the vlog and everything like that. But look at my sister. She's walking with a backpack and she's wiggling her butt. We actually don't do this a lot, guys, so us goofing around doing this and having fun, it's just us. And we even got a map so we know which way to go. But tell me what you guys think that this looks like. I think it looks like Anne and Green Gables too.
Oh, yeah.
Because Anne and Green Gables actually has a scene in their show or their movie where they're riding the buggy, right? Is it the buggy? The bikes, and they're walking, they're biking or they're walking down where a bunch of trees are lined up, and they're moving, but yeah, that's what it reminds me of too, of a couple of movies, but I don't think they've ever filmed here. So, and I know I'm loud, but who cares? But then it continues on. Did we just go in a big circle? So we're gonna go straight again, but I'm gonna get my picture taken again. Actually, I'm gonna take my sister's picture and then I'll show you what I mean. Okay, so I am, see how neat that is? And the trees are covering it. I'm gonna back out. There, see? Like, holy crap, that's beautiful. And that is my phone, people. But yeah, and there's my sister next to the other one. So we're gonna go down these trees again. But if you look at it, it's beautiful. Like, look at that. It's like out of a movie. You can't deny that. But anyhow, Gonna go to the other one. The other side. We're just gonna be doing a big, huge U-E or whatever it's called. But this is the other one. She's already walking. That's beautiful. It's like out of a movie. But anyhow, let's go. I'm getting better at vlogging, ain't I?
Better at being fit and alive.
Come on here. Like seriously. What? You getting bit, Jenna?
I got bit on the hand.
She got bit on the hand, everybody. Look at this. Like that's just right out of a movie, this all is. I'm gonna try not to take pictures with my phone because I can't get the pictures off, right?
No.
All I can do is email them to me. Ow! Guys, I'm being hit too. If you hear farting. That's me. Excuse me, but I don't give a crap what you have to say.
You want to delete that?
Yeah, I'm going to. That's why I said that. She's being bitten alive, people, and so am I. Ow. You don't want to do the one by the water? You got bit on the back of the neck and everything.
I want to do them all. I paid $15 for these. For this.
Oh yeah, guys, I paid $15.
You already said that.
I know, but I just want to keep saying that. Look for trails that are free.
They all out there.
Yep. We just decided to
This
do.
is also, I think, a campsite.
Can we get some water?
Come on. Grab the water bottle on my bag.
And Jenna's brave enough to carry it.
Not that heavy.
No, but the freaking zipper. So, hey guys, back again. Look at this. This is beautiful. I'm just gonna do a roundabout. Make myself dizzy. Sorry, had to hit a mosquito. Don't come after me for that. She's here taking pictures. I'm actually better on my breathing today. Yeah, the trees are beautiful. The sun's out. If it starts raining, I don't know what we're gonna do. Right, Jenna? Oh, another way of movie. Something was definitely filmed here.
Well, there's a lot of...
Something was filmed here, guys. Tell me what it was. So we're walking through lines of trees again. But look at this. Yeah, and there might be some poison ivy too in here. But seriously, something had to have been filmed here. I know. Or they have a YouTube channel and they put YouTube videos up of this area. Look at this. But yeah, still walking. Tell me what trails you guys do actually. What you guys have done. I would like to see that and see pictures of it and everything. This is out of a this is out of a book or something. See, this is my second trail. I did one yesterday. I'll link that video down below. But it looks like to me that there's some tree branches down. Yeah. They're dragging us around because there's something wrong there. But I'll show you. So they're re-injecting us, I can't even talk right, this way. So we're gonna go this way, but I'm gonna take a picture with. Here we go again. So remember those signs, guys. Look for those signs and then you know you're on the right path, but at the same time you can look for arrows that will tell you which way to go. And all they did was get us to go around that mess. And the kids are in school, so we do have free time to do this, so. And by the way, we're in London, Ontario, everybody. London, Ontario. What's wrong, Jenna?
Oh, I just upset. Anything that sucks about girls.
Yeah. Look at that, guys.
What do you have?
It's like going up the tree. I'm gonna take a picture of it. So we've done one trail with the beautiful trees, and we're gonna go to the next trail and we're gonna do the next one. She's just trying to figure that out right now. So we're just gonna go back to the car, get what we need. Probably gonna have to drive to it, but the leaves are falling off the trees now here in Canada because it's fall. So this is gonna be fun. But yeah. But I will be linking the pictures, and like I did with the last video, go check it out. That's the number 1 and this is number 2. But yeah, go check it out. You'll like it. Thank you. You should get a picture of that.
Okay, we're gonna follow those. To put that in my bag. Go this way. Which way do you wanna go first?
We're gonna do some more trails, but anyhow, let's go that way.
Okay, so let's go.
Yeah. Look at that, guys. That's beautiful. I'm gonna get a picture of it after I come out. And then there's that place, which I don't think you can walk on there.
The hydro plant's over there.
So here we go.
But there is a person in the dogs. Just be mindful.
Yeah. So this is the other trail. We went over the dam. We went the wrong way, but we found our way anyhow. You know, we keep getting lost when we're doing these trails. So we can go that way. Another one, guys. Look at this. Oh my God, I gotta take a picture of it. But that's the thing, like when we were there a lot yesterday, I was walking by a girl and I had to put the camera down like this, right?
Oh yeah, it's called being, again, it's called just being respectful to people.
Yeah. Oh, look at this, guys. people are drawing on the thing, but there's a little snaily. I'm gonna take a picture of it if I can. Back. My sister is taking pictures of trees. Look at those trees. They're so freaking long. That's my phone again.
I'm not getting off the path.
No, last time we got off the path, what happened?
Well, it wasn't really a non-path. It was just uphill from there. And really narrow.
Go check out that video. I'm breathing heavily because of it.
And
Okay?
my first time doing an
But anyhow, that is beautiful. And there's barely anybody here. I think it's because you gotta pay.
I think it also has to do with the fact that it's almost October, so we're going to be closing down soon.
Look at that. I'll be right back. I'm gonna take a picture. You guys hear that? Trees are moving. We got some trees moving in. I feel drops. Okay, where to put you, camera?
Don't put the camera anywhere.
Oh. So yeah. There's no bridges here. Right?
Unless you want to go over the dam.
Yeah, you can go over the dam, but there's police officers, lifeguards or whatever, or police officers down there, but that's pretty much it.
Holy cow.
Hey, it's on recording. You... What are you doing? Jen is taking pictures of mushrooms. So I'm just gonna do this. I'm walking. Yes, I have I have the short top on. Who cares? I know what to do. Everybody does this. To put you. Gotta try to figure it out. Well, look at that. Isn't that beautiful or what? Like, these trees all line up. And I mean, they line up. Can you imagine if they were to record movies in here? Like, I don't know if you guys can see it over top of my big head, but but there's a trail that goes that way. Then a trail goes that way. Okay, so we're doing this one now. Like I keep saying, keep looking for those red marks because you'll be able to know where your way around. Oh yeah, and when it says warning, pesticide use, do not use it. But yeah, my sister's up there taking pictures again, and then we gotta drive to do the other one, or we can walk. Like, we've been doing this since we got here before 10. So we've been doing this for a couple hours now. Yeah, she's waiting for me. And she's telling me to hurry up. So I gotta hurry up. Because she wants to walk fast. Yeah. An old tree bush. What are you doing? Taking pictures of the grass?
No, it won't focus.
What?
Oh shoot, that's why.
It's not on auto? Well, she can stay behind. I'm going. Well, look at that. It's beautiful. Remember, do not use those areas. There she is. Ooh, I didn't see that. Right there.
That tree?
No, the sign's on it.
We're going at it backwards.
What?
Going at it backwards.
Oh, are we?
Yep.
Okay, so there's that area. And this, look at this. I gotta take a picture of it. I'll be right back. Look at that. Can you hear that?
Yeah, it's fun.
You guys can hear that. That's awesome. You might be hearing my breathing. See, another one.
Hold on, it's not as good.
What?
Okay.
What scared you now?
I said star, and it's not a star.
It's an arrow.
Yeah. Ooh.
Okay, there's another one. Excuse me. I'm gonna put music over that. I burped. Actually, I really don't care.
Oh my goodness.
We came out where we... Look at that, guys. So technically the arrows are telling us we can go back or we can go that way. Hey, isn't that the way we came? Yeah.
This way.
I'm just gonna get off for a second. God knows what they're doing there, but yeah. Yep, we're following the arrow. And this is right behind this beautiful, beautiful place. I should get a thing I could fly in the air. Drone. Do you know how much beautiful that scenery would be? That's true. But anyhow, I'm gonna stop recording for a bit and I'll be back. So we're on another trail. This is the last trail we're doing for the day. And I'm getting off the freaking road.
Oh, I thought we would have. No, he's heading to the hydro plant.
Why? You thought they were gonna ask us what we're doing?
Yeah, because the first time we ever tried to find trails, it took us a while to find that one.
Look at that tree, guys. And then I clear it up. There we go. You see? But yeah, that's that. There's Jenna. So I'll be putting this up today. Right after we're done this, I'm gonna go home, edit it all, put the pictures in that I want to put in, and I'm gonna put this up. And this is the second part of the trail rides. And then tomorrow we're doing another one, but hopefully it's nicer. So yeah. So yeah, like I'm gonna do that. Go check out my Just Strong. I'll link it down below. And athletic wear and everything like that. But yeah, this is me coming out of my comfort zone. That's the biggest thing with me. Coming out of my comfort zone. It's coming. Trying to find another trail to walk down. I think we're having problems. Did it say there was a trail down here? Where is it? So there's another trail we're going to. And then we're heading home. But look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And by the way, if you try to drown, there is people out in the river that will save your life. Look at that tree. I'm gonna get off and go. Always follow those signs so you don't get lost. Like, look at that. That's just beautiful.
I'm gonna maybe let the dogs out for like an hour until it stops raining. And maybe we'll get off lucky and it won't stop raining.
Yeah. And don't try to drop your camera because it will break.
Yeah, especially a $1,300 camera.
Jenna! I don't want nobody knowing that.
You listen to some music over top, right?
Yeah. Look at that. Albert. Back on the beaten trail.
I think it's
Okay. Okay. This is a problem. Which way do we go?
that's a trail. But let's go over here first.
What? What's that?
It's a bird.
And apparently you could.
Over there, this thing's over here. What the hell is this?
I don't know, but I gotta go pee.
Well, we're finishing this, so just hold on. I've been holding it for a while.
Well, if that goes that way, why don't we just go this way?
Well, because I want to see what's so special about over there.
Okay. What do you have? That's something that you can do? Hi everyone. So I just got home and I'm sorry if the footage isn't good or any of that. There we go. If the footage isn't good or any of that, I'm sorry. I'm just learning how to use my Canyon that I use for vlogging. But yeah, like this is the second trail I've done. I do another one tomorrow. As you can tell, I've been sweating because my face is completely freaking red and that. So I've been walking everywhere. So I'm going to wash my face off and everything like that because it's completely greasy and that. So I'm going to end the vlog here, but tomorrow I'll be vlogging again and I will be probably doing another trail. Then Thursday we're doing another trail and then Friday we're doing another trail. And I have an appointment on Friday with my therapist, so we can only do local ones. I have a moth in my car. Came from my freaking mailbox because I checked my mail. But anyhow, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, notification button. If you want to see more videos like this, just comment down below and it will happen. Like, my face looks horrible, but forget about my face. But yeah, everything will be linked down below. The video from yesterday will be linked down below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, notification button, and yeah, I hope you like this video. It takes me hours and hours, but I took a lot of I took a lot of pictures, and that's going to be linked to the videos. I will be posting on my Instagram, which I have changed my Instagram name, my photography business, to something different. And yeah, so please, pretty please, hit the subscribe button and the notification button, and don't forget to go check out Just Strong, because they actually have plus size clothes. I buy from them all the time. Every 6 months I buy from them. But yeah, like, use my code, which is JOHCAR10, and you can get 10% off your order and everything like that. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, notification button, and yeah. Bye guys. Have a nice day.